Hello everyone, you're welcome back to another exciting math challenge. Today's problem looks simple, which says x multiplied by x plus x equals 10, and we are told to find the value of x. At first glance, this question doesn't look like a quadratic equation, and there is not an obvious formula for us to use in solving it, but let us solve it together step by step. Our solution says the first thing is, let's rewrite this question, since x multiplied by x equals x cubed. So our equation becomes x cubed plus x equals 10. The next thing is, let's move everything to one side, which becomes x cubed plus x minus 10 equals 0. Here is a cubic equation. Now let's solve it by testing simple integers. Let's try if x equals 1. Our equation again, x cubed plus x, where x equals 1, that is 1 cube plus 1. 1 cube will give us 1. So we have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. But our question says our x must equal to 10. So x equals to 1 doesn't work for this equation. Let's try another integer. Let's try if x equals 2. Our equation again, x cubed plus x equals 10, where x equals 2. So we have 2 cubed plus 2. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 8. So 8 plus 2 equals 10, which is perfect. That means x equals 2 works perfectly for this equation. So x equals 2 is a solution. The next thing is, let's factor the polynomial. Since x equals 2 is a root, that means x minus 2 must be a factor. Now let's divide x cubed plus x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. Using synthetic division, our quotient is going to become x squared plus 2x plus 5. Therefore, x cubed plus x minus 10 equals x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 5. Now let's solve the quadratic x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Using our quadratic formula, which says ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 5. Now let's substitute into x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, which gives us x equals minus b is what? 2. That is minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square is what? 2 square minus 4. Our a is 1 and our c is 5. So 4 times 1 times 5 divided by 2 times 1. which gives us x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 1 4 4 times 5 20 minus 20 divided by 2, which gives us x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 will give us a negative 16, which is minus 16 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2, so we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of a negative 16. Since square root of minus 16 equals 4i, that is x equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i's, in which these are complex solutions. Now let's identify the real solution. If the question asks for real value, the only real value here is x equals 2, which is the answer. Now let's verify if x equals 2 truly works for this equation. Now let's verify if our x is truly 2. Our equation again, x multiplied by x plus x equals 10, where x equals 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 equals 10. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Can you see that the answer that we got on the left side is 10 and the answer also on the right side is 10? That means x equals 2 is the real solution to this equation. Thank you for watching.